as I make these bustin' peach cobbler muffins, I'm going to talk to y'all of what the Bible says. The Bible talks about how vengeance is the Lord's. And it also says that I will overcome evil by good, not overcoming evil by evil. And I just want to let y'all know, whenever somebody do y'all wrong, whenever somebody hurt y'all, whatever, let the Lord handle it. Because when you try to do it on your own, you're now putting yourself in the way of the Lord. Now you're going to be reaping what you sow on the Lord's behalf. When if you just chill back, you pray for them, you bless them, bless those who curse you, and let the Lord handle it. Oh, one thing about the Lord, he don't play. He's a just God. And don't ever even expect the Lord to get him back. I'll be like, Lord, get him grace. But at the end of the day, I'm God's child, so he don't play about me. But I just want to let y'all know, I don't know who needs to hear this, but vengeance is the Lord's. Don't try to seek out your own vengeance. But these muffins was busting.